Welcome to a new Nate's Garage. Today we're going to be talking about patch panels on inner door channel of my 66 Chevelle passenger side, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that, and we'll go from there. So our next step is going to be to assess the situation and see if we can get away with just spot welding a couple places, or filling a couple places, or I have to cut out a little patch and weld in another patch. And so that's what we're going to do now. So this is what we're looking at. You see here we got little pieces here, little holes here. That one can probably be welded. Just a little hole there. There's another one there, a little small one. Let me get the light over here. You see it? And then you got some here. Don't know, I might just, I don't know, we'll see. I can try to fill them first, and if not, we'll put a little patch in there. And then going down here, this one for sure is going to have to be cut out. Got a patch panel from Bobby Stevenson that he sent to me. He cut a piece out of one of his old 66 Chevelles, and I might just put that whole thing in there. So we'll see how it goes. So we'll do some marking out with a pen. Do some marking out with a marker. And then go from there. So the first thing I did was cut out where all the rust was, and then made a piece of cardboard around it, traced it, put it on another piece of sheet metal, and cut out the sheet metal. And then, as you can see right there, I put on a piece of magnet to hold it in place before I could weld it. After that, I put a couple tack welds to hold it in place. Then I started welding it, making sure that I didn't have too much heat in one area. So then after that, I finished all the welding, ground it down really good, and she's ready for filler. So then I added some 3M filler and started sanding it, finish it off. Then I added some epoxy primer, let it flash off for about 15 minutes a coat. Put about 3 coats on there, let that dry for a good hour until I put some color on it. And also, while I was there were some spots that I had to sand a little bit on the cowl, so I just scuffed that whole thing and put some epoxy primer on it. Probably waited another 45 minutes on that. And then I put my first coat of orange on, my Hugger orange. And then I got about 3 coats to put on that, so 2 more to go. Alright, so we're on our 3rd coat of orange now, and I'm going to spray the cowl and we'll be all done here. Alright, we're just finishing up the cowl here, and that'll be about it here. See you next time on Nate's Garage. See ya. Later.